Children, are you ready for the opposite words activity?
Yes.
Let's start.
Happy, happy, happy. You say sad, sad, sad. I say big, big, big. You say small, small, small. I say yes, yes, yes. You say no, no, no. Come, come, come. You say go, go, go. I say read, read, read. You say write, write, write. I say talk, talk, talk. You say listen, listen, listen. Down, down, down. You say up, up, up. I say open, open, open. You say close, close, close. I say fast, fast, fast. You say slow, slow, slow. Tall, tall. You say short, short, short. I say old, old, old. You say new, new, new. I say more, more, more. You say less, less, less. Hard, hard, hard. You say soft, soft, soft. I say sell, sell, sell. You say buy, buy, buy. I say give, give, give. You say take, take, take. I say excited, excited. You say calm, calm, calm. I say in. You say out, out, out. Hot, hot. You say cold, cold, cold. I say weak, weak, weak. You say strong, strong, strong. I say many, many, many. You say few, few, few. I say go, go, go. You say come, come, come. I say open, open, open. You say close, close, close. I say good, good, good. You say bad, bad, bad.